Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a finish for you. So this huge beauty is Love at its Darkest from Mandy Manzano and Diamond Art Club. Sadly, unless you are scouting the D-Stash groups, this is no longer available from Diamond Art Club. However, I do believe that if you check out Mandy's website, she may still have merch with this image on, so it's worth looking. Certainly, if you can find this as a D-Stash, it was lovely to work on. Right from, I mean, I started down in this area and just every section was an absolute dream. The colours are gorgeous, really put me in the mood for spooky season. There is a really lovely mix of some areas that you can colour block, like Jack's eyes, all of the black line work. Most of the centre of his face is plain white, the same with Sally. So there are areas where you can power through, but equally there are some areas where the shading is made up of so many colours, so it is a little confetti but not unmanageable. I'm not a fan of confetti and this was fine for me. I love Mandy's artwork. I think she just has a way of, with her stained glass style, the picture literally seems to have kind of a luminescence, and I really love that and I appreciate that. I just, the placement of the ABs on this, they never show up very well on camera, but they are throughout these sections of Sally's hair. There are these orange yellow ABs, and then we have also got lilac ABs in these lighter areas, sort of in the background. I was so pleased with how it came out. It is going to become a regular piece that's put up each year, where people that trick or treat can see it. Yeah, I really don't have anything negative to say about it necessarily. Yeah, I was really pleased with it, and it was another one that I completed incredibly quickly, and I think that was partly because it's round and so it is a little quicker, but because I was just really enjoying the colours, and I tend to work when I'm completing a Mandy painting, I tend to work within her sections that she's mapped out for you. So I think that maybe makes a difference to how quickly things work up. So these are the drills. I've got these diamond painted luggage tags that I affix the Diamond Art Club sticker to, so I know what drills go where. So this is all my leftovers. Okay, so we've got a nice amount left over of the lilac ABs, and quite a lot, to be honest, of the orange ABs. So they will definitely be reused in other artworks. I don't recall there being anything that I ran out of. Let me just see in here. So yeah, we've still got one whole bag plus, no, none of those. Yeah, one whole bag and one whole bottle of black still remaining. Plus, is that, no, that is 939. So I've got a little extra of that left alongside, where is there. So yeah, a little bit of 939 left, and 3371. Where's that one? There it is. Yeah, so that's, you know, half a pack in there and then plenty in there as well. As I say, nothing that I completely ran out of. These colours are gorge. I'm just gonna get them out so that you can see what remained, because they all need to be de-kitted anyway, but that is a job for another day. So there were, how many colours did we have all together? I think this might have been, this was 50, is that 10, 20, 30, 40? Yeah, this was a 50 colour kit. I think maybe it could have taken some more ABs, and if I had planned it out a bit better, maybe I'd have added some. But I don't think it's lacking in ABs. I just think, you know, if you really wanted to bling it up, then there's definitely opportunity. Right, there we go. So this is all of our colours. There's so many, and as you can see, there's nothing that's empty. Some have got, you know, really good amounts in, and it's all, particularly with the ABs, it's always nice to find that you've got plenty left. Yeah, these are just, they're so kind of, I don't know, candy shop kind of colours. Really lovely. Yeah, there's not a lot more to say about this really. It's such a shame that it's not currently available. Just scooch these over there. We'll deal with those in a minute. Yeah, it's a real shame that it's not currently available. But yeah, that's just the way it goes sometimes, and that is why we end up buying canvases when we see them, because there is always that worry that they will no longer be available. Because this is a relatively quick post review, I don't really have any negatives for it. Yeah, there's nothing bad for me to say. So it is just ooh, look what I completed during Spooky Month. I did this as part of Drills and Chills and the Diamond Painting Fanatics Spooky Flings. So yeah, as I don't have a lot more to say about this, I did think that I would take this opportunity to open a piece of friend mail or happy mail that arrived. So I have this, which I'm very excited to get into. I'm just gonna grab myself a kniff, and I don't want to. Okay, trying not to show addresses and things. Come out. Ooh. Okay, let me just, I've got a note. Let me look at the note. Oh, bless you. This comes to me from Pencil Surprises. If you have not checked out her channel, please go and check her out. She is a diamond painter. She also does resin. She does several different craft activities, and she's just the most wholesome, lovely person. She just says, I hope you enjoy this cover minder. And yeah, and then she just says really lovely things about me. So thank you Sharon, thank you Pencil Surprises. Oh, okay, not gonna cry on camera. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, Sharon has been playing around with resin recently and making cover minders. So this is absolutely stunning. Really, really cool. Oh, love that so much. Now I don't know, I know that she did make some that were glow in the dark. I don't think this is one of them, but I'm just gonna whack it with a bit of UV light just in case, just to see. But yeah, gorgeous. She knows that I love cats. So this is incredibly thoughtful of her. Let's have a look. See if we can. No, I don't think this is one of her glow in the dark ones, but it is nonetheless absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I hope that you can see that lovely purple mica in the eyes and then the green mica in that sort of third eye on top. Oh, she's lovely, and I will certainly be using her on my when I do my canvas for Up to Snow Good, which is the Crazy Cat Lady. I will definitely be using this cover minder. So thank you ever so much, Pencil Surprises. Sharon, I always say happy mail is never expected but always appreciated, and from you it is extra special. So thank you so much. Big hearts and love, and to everybody watching, please do go and check out her channel. As I say, she is hilarious and wholesome all at the same time. So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to go and find a place to pop this now until next spooky season, and hopefully you guys are enjoying getting into the later autumnal themes now with your artwork, and getting ready for the wintry events like Up to Snow Good. So let me know down in the comments what you're working on at the moment. If you enjoy my content, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!